Y'all should already know which base I was taking. I'm taking my Plouise number 6 and number 5 base to put on my lid. I like to use number 6 because it's darker and I don't like that highlighted area by the eyebrows. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I explained it before in another tutorial, but I don't like that. So I took number 5 and 6. And I'm also buffing it out with the 142 Concealer Buffer Brush. And I'm going to go right into the Natasha Denona Gold Palette. And I'm going to grab this Emerald Green shade. I don't know the name of it because I don't have the palette right now. But I'm packing this on with a Makeup Addiction flat brush. And y'all already know, I stayed doing this method first. I don't know. It's just that method. I can't go from But I didn't leave the white part matte. I went ahead and took some Jlaure Cosmetics in the shade White Gold and put that on the lid. And I did take Prin from Peaches and Cream and Makeup, well, Cosmetics. And I put that on the lid with some white glitter, y'all. And I lined my lids with NYX matte liner. So I took these lashes from Fierce Cosmetics, okay? Y'all, coming soon. The last shoot will probably be in January, so I'm so excited for that, y'all. I am super excited. But yeah, these lashes are really fluffy, but at the same time, they're really lightweight, the single ones. Let's get into this skin. So for foundation, I took Giorgio Armani 11.5 mixed with Macao foundation. Macao, whatever. I don't even know how you say it, but from Nars. And then I'm really loving this Nars Concealer. I'm going to get some today, y'all. Vlogmas 3 is coming up, y'all. But I am going to get some Nars Concealer. That's in the shade Carmel. And I did the rest of my face off camera, so you definitely can check the description right below to check out what all I used. And I'm just doing the lower lash line. I did make the inner wing, and I'm smoking it out with black and green. That ran. So for lips, I did go ahead and take my liquid lipstick from Lime Crime. It's called Salem. And I went ahead and added Dose of Colors, my favorite new liquid lipstick in the shade Sand. And I did not put gloss on this time, y'all. And that is it, y'all. I'm going to add my blush and highlight. So thank y'all so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoy. And don't forget to see me in the next one, okay? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it, and also hit that like button on this video, and don't forget to share. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.